Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this tutorial I will be explaining where to find your time schedule in the settings and how to adjust it using all 4 different functions. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for a 4-channel Fusion DVR. Drag your cursor to the bottom and the toolbar will appear. Click the menu icon in the bottom left of your screen and then click Setup. Click Record under Record. Then click Record Schedule. Here is a visual representation of every hour of the day for a whole week. Each button represents half an hour, so if you wanted to have your camera not recording for an hour, then you would have to toggle 2 of these buttons, like so. There are 4 different colours representing 4 different functions. The green represents standard recording. If I wanted to record just between 9 to 5 on a Monday to Friday, I would adjust it like so. Motion represents once motion is detected. If I toggle motion from 9 to 5 Monday to Friday, it will only begin recording once motion is detected. APro motion sensors also include a smart function named Presense. This is how the camera captures footage previous to the motion detected. How this works is that the camera is recording constantly, the same as normal recording, but automatically deletes its useless footage in hour intervals if no motion was detected. I/O is linked to your own external security alarm system. If you own a security alarm system, you can connect it to your APro DVR and it can be used as a third-party sensor. Once the alarm system detects motion, all APro cameras can begin recording. Lastly, PIR represents your inbuilt analytics. Your current DVR, if your DVR has tripwire detection, then you can set it to be on in a certain area during the hours you specify in your recording schedule. Also, a record schedule has to be adjusted for every single camera for maximum optimization for your property. Lastly, if you don't want a camera recording during the week, then you have to toggle every button till it's blank. Once you adjust your timings, make sure you click Apply.